That's beautiful. And this one. Oh, and this one. Goodness, the apple tail is on the floor hanging. So many apple. Oh my gosh. Okay, leave for the apple, but we are gonna to pluck some spinach here for the noodle. In Indonesia called Bayam. This is the first time I have this spinach here in Belgium since 8 years. The first time in my garden, I mean. Wow, this is big one. So let's go. Beautiful cake. And gonna to continue for the dinner. Already washed it. I put it here in the blender. It's just this, the water. So like this, yeah. So we use this for the noodles. This one, the glass. And here I have the 200 gram of flour. We use 1.5 of the spinach juice. Lekker zeg. Wat zei je dan? Eén voor papa? Waarom heb je 2?
Ik ga 1.
Hey, dat is 3. Eén niet.
Ik ga 1 naar papa geven.
Like that. And then you're gonna do. So don't worry about it. You have to put some tapioca flour here. So and you go back and do it again. So like this, you do it like this. And then go back again. It's still number 1, yeah? I still use the number 1. And again. Number 2. Now we go number 4. We don't need to put the tapioca flour because this is enough. Because if you put too much, the noodle will be dry. Number 4 to number 6. Skin problem. Okay, careful noodle. Dah. Finish with the bake. The bake. The cake. I make the noodle. Look at that homemade noodle from the garden. Beautiful, toh. Okay guys, this is the result, final result, and I hope you enjoy watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, comment, like, and don't forget to try it. And this is the one from the homemade noodle from the spinach, and I'm gonna to make this for dinner with the zucchini from the garden because there is a lot in my garden, and some tomato and chicken. Last time I make the recipe for this one with the zucchini and meatball beef, and today I'm gonna to make with the chicken and tomatoes and zucchini. So don't forget to thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe. Bye, see you next time.